Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I want to make another video exactly like the last one, just to see if it's reproducible, and we have better lighting here. So I do not have a 3/8" branch, which was right here, if you can see that high. I have this branch here that's about 5/8". Now the proper way to do this, of course, is to take a saw and cut it as close to this trunk as possible, because in a branch this small, the rich fatwood is not going to extend up into it very far. So, with me breaking it off, I'm going to leave just a little nub of some material that we could have used. But I like the way we did it last time, to not use any other tools. My Stanley 10-049. So let's try to do this again. A little bit of fatwood right there, but there's really nothing on the inside. Hold on. So let's go with that. All right, I'm going to stand these straight up in the stove, just like my little fatwood torch would be standing straight up in amongst them. Boy, that wind is strong, blowing this way. And here is our fatwood torch. Too much wind. Looks like it's going to work though. Alright y'all, not exactly what I had planned. Do the best you can do in 10-mile-an-hour winds. Do me a favor now, before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.